environmental controls such as air conditioning and fire suppression. So in the cloud deployment phase, the next phase we talked about that virtualized your system. So the next phase is virtualized your compute, storage, network, application resources. So let's talk about the compute virtualization now. So it's a technique of masking or abstracting the physical compute hardware and enabling multiple operating systems to run concurrently on a single or clustered physical machines. So this technique encapsulates an operating system and an application into a portable virtual machine. As we know, a virtual machine is a logical entity that looks and behaves exactly like a physical machine. Each operating system runs on its own virtual machine. In compute virtualization, a virtualization layer resides between the hardware and virtual machine on which an operating system is running. The virtualization layer is also known as the hypervisor. The hypervisor provides standardized hardware resources, for example, CPU, memory, network, etc., to all the virtual machines. So we will learn more about this virtualization in our virtualization module. Now next comes to storage virtualization. So storage virtualization enables adding or removing storage without affecting applications availability. It increases storage utilization by consolidating multiple heterogeneous storage resources and creating storage pools. Storage pools provide flexibility in storage resources allocation to the compute system and increases storage utilization. This considerably reduces investment in new storage resources and thereby lowers the total cost of ownership. Data migration is required during technology refresh initiatives where newer storage system replace the legacy storage system. It may also be required to move data between different storage systems when performance and availability requirements change. So storage virtualization enables non-disruptive data migration, and that means you can still able to access the data while migrations are in progress. So it will do the non-disruptive data migration between storage systems since it masks the complexity of underlying physical storage resources. It also enables supports of heterogeneous multi-vendor storage platforms. In a virtual environment, different virtual machines running different applications can exist on a single compute system. This creates a very complex environment as there exist multiple sets of